Hello everyone, Zain with you, and today we'll show you how to self-transfer in Google Pay in 2025. Okay, now the first thing that you should do is to simply open the Google Pay application on your phone and make sure you are logged in into the Google account, link it to your bank accounts. Step 2, on the home screen, tap Pay Business and Bills or go to the bank transfer option, select self-transfer. This is the feature that allows you to move money between your own accounts. Step 3, now choose the bank you want to transfer money from and then select the account you want to transfer money to. Enter the amount you would like to move. And for step 4, review the details carefully and make sure both accounts and the amount are correct. Then tap proceed or send. Google Pay will process it instantly if both accounts are UPI enabled. Otherwise, it may take a few hours. And finally, you will see a confirmation message on the screen and you can check it under transactions in the app to track the transfer. And that is it. If you find this video helpful, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching and goodbye.